are the person that will either get al-izzah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or dhillah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or humiliation. So that's the first part, putting your focus in place. But there's also the side in understanding how different things apply onto you. By repetition is a dhikr. So the word dhakara can mean to remember, dhakara, and which is what brings in repetition, dhakara to mean to mention orally, dhakara can also mean to hear and even say, and dhakara to bring into focus. The other one is basically in order to bring in your spiritual connection, taqwa connection, you definitely need to put in number one, which is al-iman al-aqidah, with your focus. And this is a serious matter. And the most important thing, honesty. They're still consistent with their prayer. There's no way. All of that is going to affect your focus.